Hi, to check the battery health of your Xiaomi 13, we would need to install Ampere app. For that, open Play Store and here manually find this Ampere app, which looks like that. I already downloaded it, so let's just open and here tap consent and here tap OK. Now, after that, you would see some information about your device, and here we got 5 pages, so you can just swipe left to check all of them, like that. And to check the battery health condition, we would need to take a look at this health section. Mine is good, so everything is just fine with my battery. You can also swipe left and here check it by sections. So here we got on battery, battery health, we got status, level, cycle count, maximum capacity, and so on. Just swipe left to check everything about your phone's condition. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.